Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Remember I promised you guys I'll be sharing different profitable concept and profitable strategy to help you navigate the financial market profitably. Now if you look at this is a 43 dollar account, okay, and I was able to flip it to $500, okay, just taking one trade. Now this is gold, okay, and if you look at this particular trade, if you look at this particular trade, you see that I'm using the smallest lot size, guys. This is the minimum lot size, so it's not as if I'm over leveraging the account or I'm over risking. Okay, I'm just taking good trades. Okay, I'm just taking good trades, and this is what I am trying to achieve in this channel. I'm trying to transform other other struggling or learning or other struggling traders or other traders that are in their learning phases. I'm trying to help them navigate from that level to become consistently profitable. So guys, if you've not gotten my forex trading blueprint, trust me guys, if you still struggling, if you're still just a beginner but you want to transcend from a beginner to a very good trader or to a professional forex trader that can do wonders with an account, okay, that knows how to trade, that knows how to approach the markets properly and structurally, then I would recommend you to get a trading blueprint. Okay, so but guys, if you look at this trade, we are holding, we are catching. This trade is running on 35 pips. Okay, it's running on 35 pips, and the good thing is that I was able to open um more trading positions, and this trade went in our direction. Okay, so but quickly I'm going to share with you and I'm going to show you how you can also trade this market, okay, using some simple trading concept. Okay, so if you look at the chart right here, you find out that we've been holding this trade from a very good position. Okay, we sold this market from the top right here. Okay, we've been holding from here, and we're expecting, I'm expecting the market to just pass the last one. So that's why I'm making this video, because this market just got to our zone. Okay, so um guys, this is not excuse me, this is not 35 pips. This is, I think this is 350 pips. This is 350 pips, because with 0.01 lot size, for you to have $10, for you to have $1, that means you're having 10 pips. So $1 is 10 pips. So this is 35. This is not 30, this 35 dollars is 350 pips. So in this particular trade, we are holding, we are having 340 pips. So this trade is running on 340 pips or 350 pips basically. So let's just put that out. So now let me quickly show you how to set up your chart. Okay, and if you notice, this market just got to this zone right here. Okay, so I'm looking at that zone as sort of a a a a liquidity zone. Okay, where there's liquidity, so I'm expecting a sort of reaction in that zone. I'm expecting a reaction, so this is where I should be closing this trade ideally. Okay, ideally I should be closing this trade in profit around this zone. Okay, because we've actually done a lot already. So let me just show you how to set up a chart. So you click on the F icon, and these three indicators is what you're going to be using. You are going to be using the relative strength index, you're going to be using the moving average, and you're going to be using envelope. So these three moving averages, this is what you're going to be using. So for the relative strength index, this is going to be your parameters. Okay, so your period is going to be 1, apply to close, and your style, you use to pixel in your style, use color brown. Okay, and your levels, use 10, 20, 50, 80, and 100. So that's just how you're going to set up your RSI. So once you have all of that figured out, you click on save. Okay, so then the second indicator you're going to be using is the moving average. So on your moving average, your period is going to be period 1, shift is going to be 0, method is exponential, apply to close. Then your style, use 3 pixel, use color yellow, or use any color of your choice. As soon as you have that figured out, you click on save. So the third and the final indicator we're going to be using is the envelope. So in your envelope, your period is going to be 75, your shift is going to be 0, your deviation is 0.95. 0.95. Guys, take notes because the default deviation is 0.00 or thereabouts. So make sure you change it to 0.950. Okay, make sure you change it to 0.950. Then in your method, use simple, apply to close. Then your style, use 2 pixel. In your style, in your upper band, use 3 pixel, use color blue. In your lower band, use 2 pixel, use color red. So once you have all of that figured out, you click on save. Okay, so once you're able to set up those indicators properly, you have a chart that look exactly like this. Okay, so now how do you trade this particular strategy? How do you approach the market? How do you trade this market? Okay, so like I do say always, a very simple way to approach the markets is that you have to be able to figure out the direction of the market. Though you don't have to be able to figure it out 100%. You don't necessarily need to be 100% while trying to figure it out. When trading the markets, you may not necessarily be 100% sure about the direction of the markets. You may be thinking that the market is supposed to go up, but the market ends up going downwards. Okay, so but with experience and with proper trading knowledge, you should be able to have a higher edge or a better odds when trying to predict the direction of the markets. Okay, because you have some trading tools and some trading knowledge that is going to help you be consistent when doing that daily. Okay, because whenever you're trading, you need to be able to approach the market. You need to be able to do your analysis properly before taking any trade. Okay, so but if you look at this particular strategy, we took this trade right here. Okay, and if you look at this indicator window here, you will notice that the market was in this buy region. It was in the buy region. Okay, it was in the sell zone, because this particular zone is the buy zone. So here is around the sell zone in this indicator. So now there was a conjunction right here. There was a conjunction. There was a chop. The market was choppy around these zones. The market was choppy. Okay, it was choppy around those zones. Okay, and that was when we were able to analyze the market, and we took the trade when the market got to this point, which is here in the chart. Okay, so if you still go down to the lower time frame, such as the 5-minute time frame and the 1-minute time frame, you find out that this particular indicator still works here, still works very well. Can you see? Market sold from here, sold, market bought from here, bought, and you see the market bought again from here. So but just that if you're using the 1-minute time frame to trade this strategy, you have to be very fractal. You have to have a very tight stop loss, and you should be able to hold trade. If you had taken trade from here and your stop loss was, say, at the top, maybe top somewhere around upwards, then, and this is what you'll take profits. Can you see that this trade is if you look at this trade, it's like 1 to 5 or even more. It's like 1 to 5 or even more. Okay, let's say this is your take profit zone. That's your take profit zone. And here, right here, is where you're looking at trading. Sorry, let me just edit this. So guys, can you see how massive the risk to reward is? Can you see how massive? So imagine taking this trade when the market got to this point. When the market got to this point, you took the trade. Took the trade. You're among those who entered trade. So guys, can you see how good this strategy is? Can you see how good? Though this is not just the only knowledge you're gonna need, okay? That's why I recommend that you get that trading blueprint. If you can get the trading blueprint, you're gonna understand almost everything you need. Everything you need. Because you also need to have other trading knowledge. Like you have to understand market session timing, New York session, London session, how the New York session operates, how London session operates, how to time and price and other advanced trading concept, okay? But it is going to be in a structured way. So if you are taking trade from here, still the same thing, very, very massive profit. You'd have been in massive profit. Massive profit. Because the market was just basically buying and selling in the 1 minute time frame, okay? So that's just how the 1 minute time frame tends to act sometimes. So you just need to be aware of these different market conditions, okay? And like I said, if you're trading the 1 minute time frame, the 1 minute time frame is very fractal. So you need to be quick. You need to be able to make decisions fast. Okay, because if the market is not going in your direction, you need to be able to close that trade in loss. You just need to accept that, okay, fine, this particular trade is not going in my direction. You don't end up holding trades for long, okay? So imagine that maybe you took a trade around here and the trade was a loss. Then you now took this trade from the 1 minute time frame because it gave you a signal. And this one now was a win. Imagine from here now to here. Do you know how many pips? Do you know how many pips, guys? This is not a small trade. It's not going to be a small trade. From here, from this point to this point, you took that trade. Imagine. Then, from here also, you took this particular one also. You took this trade from here. This was your stop loss. And this is your take profit. Imagine. Because you got your entry here. So guys, this is just one of those ways you can just make money, make some profit trading using this particular strategy. Okay, so you don't necessarily need to flip your $50 account or $40 account from 50 to 100. You can still grow the account little by little. Okay, you can take some trades and you get, let's say, 20, 30, 50 pips in that trade, and you exit that trade, you close that trade in profit, and you come back, you look for another trade. But if you want to scalp, if you want to take longer trades, just like how I did here, if you want to take longer trades, I'll advise you to also get, if you want to be taking longer trades consistently, like doing this every day, all the time, I'll advise you to get the trading blueprint because it's going to help you have a proper knowledge, okay? But if you want to scalp, this particular strategy and everything we have out here is very, very excellent for you to scalp. But if you want to take longer trades just like this from the 4 hours time frame or the 1 hour time frame or even the daily time frame, I would advise you to get the forex trading blueprint because it's going to help you grow small accounts very, very fast without needing to start scalping and taking risky trade. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Make sure you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel, and see you in my next video.